Okay, everybody, here's a neat little boat. It's called the Comet. It's about 12.5 inches long. And I know that doesn't sound really big, but I have to say, I really like this little boat. I have not been able to find another one online. I'm sure they're out there, but it's relatively rare. And anyway, I restored it totally, repainted it, did everything to it. And there she blows. All original colors and everything else. Extremely rare bow ornament, the airplane. That's extremely rare. I only had one in all my fittings boxes. So, and here it is running. I think my battery's about ready to go. But anyway, there she is. All the nice fittings. A lot of fittings on this little boat. And the restoration video is online, of course. And this is boat number 6. Nice motor, horseshoe motor. It's a TMY motor. Steering wheel, dash, everything. I mean, it's really nice. I restored everything. Cleaned it all up, polished up all the brass, contacts, the lever switch. Redid the wiring where I needed to be done. Polished up all the fittings. Repainted it, of course. And I'm really sorry to let this go. I made patterns of it. I'm going to make one for myself, actually, because I can't find a real one. Original one, I should say. There's the Comet decal I made. It's made by, the boat was made, you can see there, by KMK. That's also the same company that made the big 27-inch Japanese toy subs we all love. So, they made some nice boats, that company. Wish I could track it down more, but anyway, anybody has any more information on KMK, let me know. The RBOJCK at gmail.com. You can see all my restoration videos on Facebook and on YouTube. And thanks again for all the kind comments on my restorations. And this boat's a beauty. It's sold. It's going out today. And to one lucky guy. Anyway, thanks again. Bye.